Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. Today we'll start off with Euro, what's it called? Eurgbp, sorry. Let me just put this up here as well. So as you guys can see, sorry, let me smart this out. This is Euro GBP on the H4 chart, and I'm trying to make my charts cleaner so there's not as many lines on the charts as what there usually is, or boxes. I'm trying to make it clean, so I hate seeing bare things on the chart because it just makes you forget, not forget, but it makes you overlook the natural structure of price. I just like to have a plain chart. One thing I'm trying to, that in my journey I've realized in my charts, that I can have a lot of things marked out, and I'd rather just have the main things marked out that I need to see. So looking at Euro GBP today, we did have this push down, and we did catch a 2-hour trade out of this today, to be fair. I'll go over that later on in the video at the end. So essentially what I want to see for tomorrow is if we can possibly see a push back up to premium of the H4 time frame, considering we broke this low. And then from a push up, if we could possibly see let me draw out, if we get a push up possibly around these levels here, if we can come down, if we do get a closer below this level here on the H4, we could possibly see this level down here get attacked as well, so another further drop down. But it all depends how we react here at this level here. If we get a bearish close, we also should note out we have taken out the liquidity resting just above this high here. But yeah, shorts possibly from the fair value gaps resting just here. We could look on the H1. The next structure point in the H1 is looking like this low here. So really and truly, I wouldn't I'd rather take shorts from if we reach up here to go back down, but we just have to wait and see if we actually reach that. But if we get a nice structure on the H1, we could possibly see longs up into that to then go short, if that makes sense. But we just have to wait and see regarding EG tomorrow. But I am want to see this low get taken out, if not tomorrow, going into next week as well. Okay. As for Euro USD, as you can see on the H4, we have this zone up here that's chilling quite nicely, to be fair. And we are expanding quite well from the value gap that's resting just here. Now, right now the H4 is just rising. I won't be interested until we make a structural high on this H4 time frame, because I would like to see again a possible retracement down to continue up to possibly take out this high here, and possibly reach this high up here, this structural high here. But I will need to see a retracement, or I need to see a top be formed for us to come back to discount to then continue into the premium areas up here. So hopefully we can probably make a top around here and calm down into price around this level here to continue up. That makes sense. You could get a trade in this move down, possibly in London, and then get a trade in the move up. But just because but we do have to wait and see, because it might not necessarily happen tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday. But I do want to see a top get created before we look at any sort of shorts or any sort of longs. But these areas down here, it's from this order block to this fair value gap, as I'm looking to take longs back up to this level here, which is almost the 1.3 thousand level. But I wouldn't mind taking shorts down into that if the H1 can give us a nice structure to go short. Okay. Now, in regards to the short I took on Eurgbp today, if I can mark it out, cool. So price was around here. All right. Now, when I came on the H4 time frame trade during the session, I was noting this fair value gap here. And again, if we mark out the low of this H4 time frame, you will notice that in London session we were in premium, so we're looking at retracements down, possibly to the areas just here, back to, because in London we were in premium, so we can look at the H4 to come down to discount. All right, going to H1, what you can notice here is we had a nice MSB to the H1, so the H1 structure was looking bearish to me. And let me mark out this fair value gap with the this tool here. Yep, there we go. So yeah, we came into that fair value gap there, which is also the fair value gap here, rest on the H1. So we have a lot of confidences for that. We then took out the M5 high here, broke M5 MSB, broke M5 structure there, and then as usual I'm getting in around this level here, and I only held this for 3%. Okay, so I got in off this candle here. Let me get rid of that, and it was a nice little short just down to H1 H4 discount. I was also watching this order block here as well, so I didn't really want to be in trades once we hit this order block, just in case. Even though my main target was this H4 order block, the low hanging fruit for me was taking my position off at this H1 order block here. All right, so yeah, that was a short I took today. It was quite a clean trade, can't complain about that at all. But yeah guys, in regards to oh Jesus, let me get rid of that. In regards to tomorrow, this is what I'm looking at for tomorrow on EU and USD, EU and EG, sorry. But yeah, that's all guys today. So thank you for watching, and yeah, good luck tomorrow in the markets.